marami sa atin, ang dami kang leaves, pero wala kang fruits. Ibig sabihin, wow, ang dami kang blessings, mayaman ka, etc. Pero wala yatang bunga na mabuti. O kung may bunga man, ang buhay mo, plastic. The plastic fruit is only for the eyes. But the real fruits are from the heart and for the heart. Ask yourself today, in your life, anong bunga ang buhay mo? Maybe you have all these material fruits. You can boast about that, and we are impressed. But how about the fruits of your